So welcome for today's class of ICSE class 8 mathematics. Today's topic is area of trapezium. The topic is taken from chapter 19 menstruation. Okay, area of trapezium. Let us see. Okay, so take down one by one. Okay. Here I can write down areas of quadrilateral and polygon, but today's topic is area of trapezium. Okay, you can see a figure of a trapezium over here. To find the area of a trapezium, we split it into two triangles and a rectangle. Okay, so we are going to split it into triangle and rectangle. Here you can see this is a triangle, this AED is a triangle, and CFB is a triangle, and your rectangle is EFCD. Okay, this part is your rectangle. Okay, so let ABCD be a trapezium. Okay, let this ABCD, the entire figure is your trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. So this AB is parallel to C and D. Now I will draw perpendicular. This is drawn. DE is the perpendicular. Okay, and CF is also there. CF is perpendicular on side AB. Okay, now these are both are perpendicular on side AB only, such that DE is equal to CF. Now DE is equal to CF. Okay, which is equal to height. Now AB is equal to AE is equal to B. Now what is your AE? It is equal to B, and you consider FP to be C, and this portion EF you consider it as A, and DC also A. Okay, because for rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? Then as you can see over here, AB is equal to AE. Okay, AB is equal to AE plus EF plus CB. Okay, so which is equal to B plus A plus C. These are the small letters. Now area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle. The entire this area of triangle you will take this triangle, then plus the rectangle, and then again the triangle. Okay, now half into, now what is the formula for area of triangle? Base into height into, okay, plus A into height plus half C into H is equal to, so I am using the applying the formula for this. So it will be half into, now you all can see this half is common. Okay, this half is common in both. Okay, and what else is common? H is common, right? So take it out and write B is left. In this B plus A. Okay, so how many times? 2A plus C is left out. Okay, so what you will be doing is half H, whatever is remaining, write it down here, is equal to half H. Now what is this? AB plus CD you will get. Okay, substitute the values and all. Then this will be half, which is sum of parallel side multiplied by distance between them. So what will be the formula for the area of trapezium? Half sum of parallel side multiplied by distance between the parallel side. So main thing is I wanted to give you all the formula because it is very important to solve the problems based on this. I will be giving you all problems. I will be solving problems based on area of trapezium. So the formula you all have to learn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.